Happy fall, friends. Welcome to my home. I'll begin in my foyer, and as you can see, we have a two-story foyer, and it's very kind of narrow, so there's not a lot of wall space. Really, this is the only table that furniture-wise that I have in this area, so this is the only area that I decorate, and I like to change it up for the season. I do try to keep it a little bit more on the minimal side when it comes to decor. If you follow my channel, then you know that my decor style tends to be a mix of both traditional and modern, and I don't like a lot of clutter. So to me, less is more, so I always try to keep that in mind whenever I'm decorating. So for this table, I pretty much kept it as I had it decorated for summer, and I just simply swapped out this little tray, put a different candle, added that cute little acorn, which I got that this year from Hobby Lobby. It's so cute, and you'll see a couple other of those acorns in my house. And then I swapped out this, I previously had a black vase that I swapped for this white vase, and this white vase is from Walmart. I love it. I think it was like $8. I absolutely love a good deal. And the stems, which I am in love with this pinkish beigey leaf. It's so pretty and so fall. And those are from Michael's. I got those last year. And then just to add a little more touch of fall, I love these baskets I have under the table. These I got from Target, I think last year, but I just love that they are not only useful, you could store shoes in here or handbags or whatever you want. So they serve storage purpose, but they also, you can use them as decor. They're pretty by themselves, but I love filling this with pillows or decorative throws like I have here. And this is actually not a throw. It's actually a sweater scarf that I've had, and I saw it in my closet, and I'm like, that will be perfect for my fall decor. So there you go. You can always get creative with your decor and shop your house for items. Moving on to my dining room, and as you see, I have a mix of traditional and modern, and I just like to keep this room very simple. I don't have a lot of decor on the walls. I feel like really when you have trim like wainscoting or really nice crown molding or nice windows, I like for those things to be more of the jewelry in the room, more of the items that catch your eye, and then anything else is just a nice little extra. So for the decor, I definitely went more traditional. I pretty much used everything that I already had on hand. I don't think I bought anything new for this space this year, which I'm proud of myself. I do try to use the decor that I already have. I don't like spending a lot of money on new decor each year, which you really don't need to do. I like to just add to my inventory over time so that you're building it up, and then eventually you'll have a nice selection of different things to choose from. So you don't have to go out and buy everything all at once, is what I'm trying to say. So I just simply used a bunch of faux pumpkins that I got throughout the years. They're from different various stores. And then the tablecloth is from Home Goods. I get a lot of questions where my table is from, and believe it or not, we actually ordered this from Sam's Club online, and I love it. I think it's really pretty. This is actually the only artwork that I have in this room, but I love this artwork. I got this from Kirkland's several years ago. I want to say 5-6 years ago, but occasionally I get questions about this, and I just love this. I love the blue. I just love the colors in this, and I just feel like it goes really well in this space, and then I feel like it allowed me to go with blue curtains in this room. So This I've had for years. It was a gift from my mom. I think it's so pretty, and I pretty much keep this little tiered tray on my Hutch here throughout the year. I did add these lanterns from Pier 1, and I just filled them using fairy lights and some leaves that I had on hand, and I think that looks so perfect for fall. And I added a couple pumpkins that this one's from Home Goods. Actually, I think both of those are from Home Goods, and then this cute little one is actually from Target. It was from their dollar spot. I got 2 of these. You're gonna see one also in my kitchen, but I thought this was so cute, and you can actually paint it if you wanted to, but I thought I would just use it for like to hold a candle. So I just need to get a candle. For some reason, I am completely out of all of my little votive candles. For my family room, I kept things very neutral. As you can see, I'm a big fan of neutral colors, so I just kept that theme with the fall decor. Used a lot of white pumpkins. I am a huge fan of white pumpkins, so a lot of white pumpkins, but also I added little touches of blue. I love blue, and I often like to incorporate little blue accents in my decor, so I included that with the pumpkins. You'll see a couple little blue pumpkins. I did include some blue pillows here on the couches. All of these I had on hand. I did recently purchase this throw that I love. I think it's adorable. I got this from Home Goods. It was a really good buy, and it was just one of those items that I could not pass up. So this pillow I got several years ago. This was from Kirkland's. And then this pillow over here, this is a more recent purchase. I got this last year. It's actually a pillow cover, and I love this. It's from Amazon, and they had a lot of other colors, but let me show you a close-up of the texture in this. I just think it's really not pretty. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. It kind of is a little bit more of a modern look, I guess. As you see, I have 2 ginger jars on either end of the mantle, and I'm just in love with this royal blue color. And so I added the blue pillows to kind of tie everything together. And then again, keeping things very simple, I just added some floral stems and some white pumpkins. And I'll try to link as much as I can down in the description box if you're interested in any of the decor items that you see. I won't have links for everything, but some of the more recent purchases, I should be able to find links for those things. And then for the hearth area, I just added this white vase that I got years ago from Crate and Barrel, and I'm actually really proud of myself because I scored a really good deal on that vase. I never would have paid full price, but I just filled it with these cottonwood stems, and then the logs, those I got years ago from Amazon, believe it or not. I love those birch logs, and I just keep those out on my hearth area throughout the year. I just think they're so pretty. And then the basket that is holding them, that is from Kirkland's a few years ago. This table is my favorite area in my family room to decorate. Aside from the mantle, I love decorating the mantle, of course, but I just like the style of this table and the fact that there's 3 shelves that I can decorate. It allows me to do so much more, especially with the different seasons. So yeah, I just added a few pumpkins, some candles, and that's about it. Now this is the room that we hang out in the most, and I don't like to have a lot of clutter on my countertops. As you can see, the countertops are pretty much bare. I did add a couple little touches of fall. Again, using the white pumpkins, very neutral colors. I love the addition of copper as well. That's it for my fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed it and gained a few ideas and hopefully some inspiration. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy fall, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.